Hey guys, embarking on a side hustle can be an effective strategy for achieving various financial objectives, such as meeting savings targets, increasing disposable income, or tackling debt obligations. While some side hustles may provide immediate financial returns, others necessitate a more substantial commitment of effort, time, and resources before yielding a steady income. Certain ventures may require extensive planning, skill development, market research, and networking to gain traction and build a reliable customer base. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are the top 5 easy ways to make an extra $1,000 this month. The first one is freelancing. Engaging in freelancing during one's spare time has proven to be a lucrative avenue for many individuals seeking additional income. If you possess a marketable skill set such as writing, graphic design, or video editing, you can tap into the vast opportunities available on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking their specific expertise, creating a mutually beneficial marketplace. When utilizing these freelancing sites, you have the flexibility to choose between pursuing well-paying job offers or setting your own rates, depending on your level of experience, expertise, and the demands of the projects at hand. This level of autonomy empowers you to have control over your earning potential and the type of work you undertake. The second one is dog walking. If you have a passion for animals and find yourself with some available daytime hours, embarking on a dog walking or pet sitting venture can be a rewarding and financially lucrative business. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals who work traditional 9-to-5 jobs often struggle to give their beloved pets the attention and exercise they need during the day. This has created a significant demand for reliable and trustworthy dog walkers who can provide regular midday walks for these furry companions. By offering your services as a dog walker or pet sitter, you can fill this crucial role and earn a substantial income. According to data from Indeed, the average wages for dog walkers hover around $20 per hour. With just a few clients, you can quickly accumulate a significant weekly income, potentially reaching $200 or more per day. The beauty of dog walking and pet sitting services is the flexibility it offers. You can design your schedule to accommodate your availability. Another one is teach English language. If you possess native level proficiency in English and are strong in grammar, leveraging your language skills to teach English to students abroad can be a highly profitable side gig. Various online platforms facilitate the connections between English teachers and international students seeking language instruction. It's important to note that different companies may have specific requirements for teachers, such as holding a bachelor's degree or possessing prior teaching experience. English teachers can expect to earn an hourly rate ranging from $10 to $40, depending on their level of experience. This potential income can be quite substantial, particularly when factoring in the flexible nature of online teaching and the ability to take on multiple students or classes. Another one is social media manager. If you possess strong social media skills, you have the potential to transform these abilities into a profitable side hustle. As a freelance social media manager, you can tap into a diverse range of clients and take on responsibilities that involve devising post schedules, creating compelling graphics, engaging with followers, and cultivating an online audience. This role requires a comprehensive understanding of various social media platforms, trends, and best practices, as well as a knack for strategic planning and content creation. Freelance social media managers are responsible for curating engaging content, optimizing reach and engagement, and ultimately helping businesses or individuals establish a strong online presence. According to ZipRecruiter, the average hourly pay for freelance social media managers is approximately $25. This figure can vary depending on factors such as experience, the complexity of the project, and the size of the client's social media presence. Another one is virtual assistant. If you possess a range of administrative skills, you have the opportunity to earn a substantial income from the convenience of your own home by working as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are independent contractors who provide administrative support to clients remotely. Their responsibilities may include tasks such as data entry, email management, social media account management, blog maintenance, website updates, and much more. The beauty of being a freelance virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to choose your clients, set your own schedule, and decide the scope of services you provide. This allows you to create a work-life balance that suits your needs and preferences. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, are you going to start a side hustle? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.